So in present your friend, well, you guessed it. You're going to present your friend. But first, you're going to ask a lot of questions. 10 questions exactly.
10?
To Lucy.
Okay.
Asking what's your favorite food? What's your favorite city? Okay?
Okay.
And you will have 2 minutes to do that.
2 minutes?
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
So you have to go fast. Okay?
Wow. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
And go!
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is swimming.
Okay. What's your favorite cheese? Okay. What's your favorite
My favorite
bread?
is sauce. My favorite is London. My favorite is hat. My favorite is green. My favorite is snow.
And done!
Yeah.
Hey.
Lunchtime. No, my favorite time is lunchtime.
You did it in 45 seconds.
Really?
Yeah, so you had time. You had time. You definitely had time. Now, the thing is, for the first part, you know, or the easy part in the class, you're just going to present Lucy to the class, okay? So,
Okay.
class, please come here. Please. Would be the class.
Yay!
Okay.
I'm the class!
Yeah, with the class. Come here, class.
I'm the class! Okay.
This is Lucy.
This is Lucy.
Lucy's favorite food is...
Oh, okay. Lucy's favorite food is cheese.
It's true.
Lucy's favorite sport is swimming. Lucy's favorite video game is Crash Bandit. No, I don't know.
Crash Bandicoot.
Crash Bandicoot. Okay. Lucy's favorite smell is bread.
Freshly baked bread.
Her
You can say her favorite also.
Her favorite movie is Star Wars. Her favorite city is London. Her favorite fruit is pear. Lucy's favorite color is green. Her favorite weather is snowy. Her favorite moment of the day is bedtime. But then she said lunchtime.
Oh. Yeah.
Is it bedtime or lunchtime?
Lunchtime. My favorite time of the day is lunchtime. I like
She
eating.
likes to eat bread and cheese.
Okay, so I think she likes to eat bread and cheese in her bed.
Exactly.
I think that's what's happening.
No, crumbs. Sleep with crumbs.
You don't want to
Okay,
sleep
watching
with
Star
crumbs.
Wars.
So now, let's transform this. Let's do this with a twist. Something that looks a bit like King of the Hill. You'll have the link to King of the Hill at the end of the video. So don't hesitate to watch. But I think, let me take this. Thank you.
Okay.
Lucy and Heather go on the side. Olivia?
Give me a chair.
Oh yeah, let me get you a chair.
I'm sure.
Let's see what you remember. Get on the chair. So, here we have the questions and the answer, and if Olivia gets it wrong...
You still must see my face.
Yeah, if Olivia gets it wrong... You're down.
Kneel to the queen. That's the best part.
What is Lucy's favorite fruit?
Pear. Her favorite fruit is pear.
What is Lucy's favorite movie?
Star Wars.
Is Lucy's favorite smell a fart?
No. It's bread.
Is Lucy's favorite movie Harry Potter?
No, I said Star Wars.
Is Lucy's favorite weather sunny?
Yes.
Down you go!
Hey,
Okay,
it's
you're up.
snowy, it's snowy. You'll see, wait.
Kneel to the queen. Stand up.
Go.
What's Lucy's favorite color?
Her favorite color is black?
No! Get down! Okay, and that's pretty much how you present your friend in a fun way, let's be honest. Okay, bye.
Bye.